Malta, a charming island nation located in the Mediterranean Sea, offers a plethora of breathtaking landscapes, from ancient historic sites to crystal clear waters, making it a perfect destination for any traveler. Join us as we explore the top places to visit in this stunning country. First on our list is Valletta, the capital of Malta and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city is named after Jean Perisot de Valletta, the Grand Master of the Knights of St. John, who defended Malta against an Ottoman invasion in 1565. Valletta's architecture is a perfect reflection of the island's rich history, with a mix of different styles that tell the story of the city's past. The Baroque style is dominant, with its grand and ornate buildings, such as the Grand Master's Palace and the Church of Our Lady of Victory. What's fascinating about Valletta's architecture is the extensive use of Maltese limestone in the buildings, which gives the city a distinct golden hue. The stone's warm coloration and durability have made it a popular choice for construction in Malta for centuries. To sum up, Valletta is a city that cannot be missed while visiting Malta, offering visitors a chance to experience the island's rich history, culture, and cuisine, all set against a backdrop of stunning architecture. Blue Grotto is one of Malta's most popular natural attractions. It is located on the southern coast of Malta, just a short distance from the small village of Azure. The Blue Grotto is a series of 7 sea caves, renowned for their crystal clear blue waters and stunning rock formations. A boat trip to the Blue Grotto is a popular way to experience this natural wonder in Malta. The boats depart from the small harbour of Azure, which is located near the village of Azure on the southern coast of the island. The boat trip usually lasts for around 25 to 30 minutes and takes visitors on a tour of the various sea caves and caverns in the area. Blue Grotto is a natural wonder that is not to be missed when visiting Malta. Its striking beauty and unique atmosphere make it a destination that will leave a lasting impression on any traveler. Popeye Village is a charming and colorful theme park located on the northwest coast of Malta. Originally built as a film set for the 1980 movie, Popeye, the village has been transformed into a fun-filled attraction that offers a range of activities and entertainment for visitors of all ages. The village is set against a backdrop of stunning Mediterranean views and features whimsical wooden houses, winding streets, and a lively atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy a variety of attractions, such as the Popeye Museum, Olive Oil House, and a range of water activities. Whether you are a fan of the movie or just looking for a day of fun and adventure, Popeye Village is a destination not to be missed when in Malta. The Azure window was a natural limestone arch on the island of Gozo in Malta, which had become an iconic landmark and popular tourist attraction. Unfortunately, in March 2017, the arch collapsed due to strong stormy weather, marking the end of an era for this stunning natural wonder. In the popular TV show, Game of Thrones, Khaleesi's wedding was held at the Azure window. Even though the Azure window is no longer there, the surrounding area of Dwajra Bay on Gozo still offers breathtaking natural beauty and interesting sights to visit. One such site is the Inland Sea, a picturesque lagoon that is connected to the open sea by a narrow tunnel. The Inland Sea is a popular spot for swimming, snorkeling, and boat tours. Visitors can also explore the nearby caves by boat and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of this unique natural wonder. Ta Cenc Cliffs are one of the most dramatic and impressive natural sights in Malta. Located on the southern coast of Gozo, these towering cliffs rise up to a height of over 120 meters above the deep blue sea below. Visitors can enjoy stunning views of the cliffs and the Mediterranean Sea from several vantage points along the cliff edge, and hiking trails provide opportunities for more immersive exploration of the area. Ta Cenc Cliffs provide a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, allowing visitors to connect with nature and enjoy a serene and breathtakingly beautiful environment. Ramla Beach is one of the most beautiful and popular beaches in Malta, known for its soft golden sand and clear blue waters that are perfect for swimming and water sports. The beach is surrounded by lush green hills and provides a picturesque setting for a day out with family and friends. It's a good idea to arrive at Ramla Bay early in the morning to secure a good spot on the beach. The beach can get quite busy in the peak season, so arriving early will give you the best chance of finding a quiet spot. The sandy beach is perfect for sunbathing, and the clear blue water is ideal for swimming. Due to its location, Ramla Beach has a consistent presence of small waves which makes swimming there enjoyable and fun. After spending the day at Ramla Beach, visitors can take a short hike to the nearby Tal-Mixta cave, a natural wonder that offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape and the Mediterranean Sea. The cave is also a popular spot for watching the beautiful sunsets that Malta is known for. Overall, Malta is a destination that offers a truly unforgettable experience with its picturesque landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and warm Mediterranean climate. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Malta has something to offer for every kind of traveler.